Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiki. In today's video we will be doing a quick little DIY at home on how to make lash cleanser. This little baby right here, we will be making these to ensure that our clients have healthy, clean lashes, because a lot of times people get lash extensions, they don't brush their lashes, they don't keep their lashes clean. Let me tell you something, when you come in for that fill-in, we know that you haven't brushed those lashes. We know that you're not keeping your lashes clean. So that's why it is best that you give your clients, you can sell it $10, $5, whatever you want. Sell these to your clients to ensure that they have healthy, clean lashes. Clean lashes is a must, okay? Also, if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit the post notification bell so you're notified whenever I post a video, because I will be posting videos every week. And I have a lot of interesting videos posted, so be sure to subscribe. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. That's what we're on. Road to 1,000 subscribers. We can do it. And so I will leave everything down in the description box that I am using today and tell you where to purchase them. So if you would like to see how I make this lash cleanser, keep watching, stay tuned, and hit the subscribe button. Let's go. So I have the empty foam bottles, which I got from Amazon, 50 ml. I think I got like 12 pieces for $13, $14. I have the Prolong soap. This is what the soap we will be using. This is it. I have my brushes. These are the brushes. These are my labels that I made on Vistaprint that I will be putting on the bottles. And this is the water that I will be using. I'm using nursery baby water because you need to use distilled water. Also, I have a measuring cup that I'm going to use, and because that water bottle is full and heavy, I'm going to use my measuring cup so I don't make a mess. It's quick and easy. Alright, so it says Prolong. Oh, it also tells you the 3 steps to eyelash extension aftercare, which I have aftercare cards that I give my clients, and I'm gonna be including this in the bag that I'm going to make up. And it tells you everything you need to do to maintain your extensions, and it tells you to mix 1 part concentrate, the soap, to 2 parts distilled water in a foaming pump. So I made one here, don't mind the sticker. I had ordered the sticker, it was too big, it was no good, so I had to reorder. But this is one that I had already made. So this is what we're going to do. So I'm gonna do a few bottles. So for all my lash techs out there, or just people who like to get lash extensions and wanna keep your lashes clean, you can do this yourself at home, and I'm gonna show you how to do it now. It's a quick little DIY video. Being home all these days, quarantine, you're gonna learn how to do a lot of things. And you wanna use 10 ml. Just like so. Pour it in. And you're going to do the same thing for all the water, all the bottles, 10 ml. The soap actually smells good. has like a baby scent. Some people use baby shampoo also and just add water, so you can do that too for the more cheaper route, because this stuff is not cheap. I think it was like $35 for this bottle. It's really not that big. Alright, so there's that. Then I'm going to take the same cup and I need 40 ml. So I'm just going to fill it up and dump in and pour it in. Use my measuring cup. 10 ml. Matter of fact, I can count. We're going to go to 15. And pour it in. It's 15. 30. And then 10. I'm going to do 50 ml of water. So I'm going to do the same thing to all of them, 15 ml of water. Okay, so the bottles are all filled, and then just put your tops on. Just shake it up. Shake it up so you can mix all of the concentrate together, the water and the soap. Just like that. Just like that. And there's your lash cleanser. Now I'm gonna put the labels on them. Place it just like this. It says Lavish Looks by Kiki Lash Bath. Just like that. The other ones I had, which you can see on this one, they were too big. I didn't like it, so I went to Visa Print on the website and they let me order a new set. They sent me these for free. So this one. Just like that. So they're all labeled, and then I have bags that I'm gonna put them in, which I got from Amazon. All right, so I have the mesh bag. So what I'm gonna do is put the lash bath in the bag. Here's my brushes, which I got off of Amazon. Gonna put that in the bag. My aftercare card, which tells you eyelash extension aftercare instructions. Like, don't use water-based makeup. Do not use oil-based eye products. Do not perm tint or use any eyelash curler. And to make sure you schedule your touch-up, your fill-ins every 2 weeks, so that your lashes will last long and your retention will be good. So I put this in here. And I'm putting a lash brush because you should brush your lashes daily, especially after washing your face. So put those in there like that. Like this and like that, it's done. And here is your little bag of treats with your lash bath, your brush to clean your lashes, your aftercare card, and your spoolie to brush your lashes. I'm gonna make up some more. This is how you make lash cleanser. Bag them up, make them nice and cute, and give them to your clients to make sure that they have clean lashes, brushed out lashes, and healthy lashes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit the post notification button so you know whenever I post videos, because I will be posting videos every week. And also stay safe, stay healthy, be blessed. See you guys next time. Bye.